Launching a holiday marketing campaign is rather challenging. To help you out, we've created the ultimate digital marketing bundle made of more than 135 unique design assets. It can be used by anybody: bloggers, marketers, entrepreneurs, and influencers. Absolutely no special skills or knowledge required. The ultimate digital marketing bundle is made to enrich any holiday campaign: Christmas, Black Friday, Independence Day, and many others. Buy once and use anytime, anywhere. All you need to do to get it is add the bundle to the cart, make the payment, receive the download link, open it, and enjoy the huge library of design assets. Here you get fonts, animated banners, holiday icons and vector images, various landing page designs, illustrations, product mockups, newsletter templates, logo templates, print-ready flyers and brochures. Each and every of 135 plus items is fully editable. No limitations to your creativity. Just open it and apply all the needed changes. Get the ultimate digital marketing bundle and boost your marketing campaigns.